I think we are good to go now to start doing the coding. So first of all, let me just, when someone click on these numbers, I show him the number on the screen, like the calculator. If you see the calculator, when anyone use the calculator, he see the numbers appear on the screen. See how they appear? So I want to do that. Also, I want to, when he click dot, the dot will be appear, and that is. So only numbers and dots. So if you see, just here you go. Well, the name of this object, if you go here, name it BU6, name it BU0, because refer to the 0. And you let me just go to the view some properties, so name it BU0, and it is better to make it call some event, name it BU numbers, because the event, I just define my event, this one, BU number events, and I try to implement this one. So if I just go to the code here, I could click here, and maybe they just enable this one. Let me show you. Maybe there's another steps. They're really easy. What was in Android if they just add it now on the development. So when he give you error, he just click on the error. He show you this message. You click on it, and you go to implement it. But still, they did not add it in Kotlin. So now we have just to do the same process, like going here, saying, hey, I need to define method. You name it function. BU event. I name it view. Should be part from a view. Make sure he appear that when wait until like, or click control space until he show you views, like the list of the views. You could import the view. Don't write just view. Just click here in this way, and yes, he imported. This is the method that I wanted to fire when someone click on this button. I would use same event for in the all other buttons. So okay, this dot, I name it BU dot in this way, because refer to the dot, still calling same event when someone click on the button. And this one, try to make sure you're doing well. Many students, like, they did not follow this correctly, but really easy. Just name it, give it event name, click enter. Name it, give it event name, click enter. So yes, this one, BU2, continue, and just go to the this one, give it that name. Hopefully both of them BU number event. This one should be BU3, and he's still calling on event, making sure they're calling. I just did correct for the last two rows. Yes, it's so, and I did correct for last two rows. So yes, this one should be also calling same one, calling BU4, and this one and this design, I just take some time, BU5, and this one also. Just continue all these one by one. This one BU6 events, then this one should be BU7, and this one is still calling same event. BU8. Oh, I know that a lot of designing issue. BU8, and calling same event, I think. So yeah, same event. I don't have any problem with the event now. Making sure all of them using same event. And this one, BU9, calling same event, and should be on a click calling. And you know what? Make sure they just calling same. And this one, plus minus, should be calling same event. BU plus minus. Okay. Also still calling same event, because just adding plus or minus in front of the numbers. Okay, so I just did that part. I just go to the code. I say, hey, as I told you, you need to do variable or val for BU select, whatever the button selected. It is part from the view, and you change it as button. Why? Because I need to know which button is selected. So I don't know why this ID is just taking too much time now. But yeah, button, then you do when, so as button, and you do, let's suppose val the number selected. What if you suppose number call as string, because I need just to concatenate. A call I just suppose doesn't add anything. He doesn't add anything. So I do when for the bu, or for the button selected dot id. What's the ID of the button that's selected? And I say, hey, if the ID equal bu1 dot id, so do this, like do string give it 1, like number give it 1. It's not good to give it 1 because this is not represent only number. Let me suppose bu click up or bu click value, because number does not represent this one, because maybe he click number, maybe click plus, minus, whatever. So if he click bu id1, if he click bu 0.id, you could do r.id.object name, or you could do this one is the easiest way. Bu click, he click the 0, and you could continue with these like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and dot and the plus. This is all the operation that I wanted. So I say, hey, if he select bu1, if he select bu2, add 2 here. If he select bu3, add 3 here. If he select bu4, add 4 here. If he select bu5, add 5 here. If he select bu6, add 6 here. If he select bu7, add 7 here. If he select bu9, bu8, add 8 here. If he select bu9, add 9 here. Then I have 2 more. If he select dot bu dot, add dot here. Bu dot should be written this way, I think. Dot. I don't know how he wrote it. Yeah, here you go. Bu dot. If he select bu plus minus, that means he need to add plus or minus operation. But I will tell what I will do. Plus bu button plus minus. I don't know. This is long name. I don't know why he give it this name for the plus minus, which is this one. Bu plus minus this way, minus this way. Okay, yes, because I don't believe with the long variables names, so just change it to that one, bu plus minus. Yeah, but I think we need to do something. First of all, what you need to do, you need just taking these values and add them here. So first of all, I need to take the value from this one. So edit show numbers, okay, or edit show operation, whatever. So first of all, I need to get these data from the text. I say, hey, first of all, before you start, please bring the data from the text. So val entry data, which is equal the whatever value you have in the edit text show. So whatever the value that appear in the edit text show, please bring it added here. That's good. Now if it is bu0, okay, what he's saying here? Make variable mutable. Because this one val should be var, because I have to be able to update it. Okay, I got it. So I need to do what? If it's 1 2 3 4 9 4 5 6 7, all this just adding operation, we don't have any problem with them. That means just if this one just added this one, just added this one. All this process is very normal process. Like this one, you say, hey, you could do entry data, or just wait a second. You say, because I have this entry, let me make it as initial value, taking this data from this input field. Okay, and I say, hey, this one should take the value from that one dot text to string. I mean, hey, bring the value that inputted, the user that input, and bring it as a string and add it to me here. Good. Now I have my value. That means whatever value you have it, add to it this one. Whatever value you have it there, add to it 1. Whatever value you have it there, add 2 to it. Whatever value you have it, add 3. Whatever value have, add 4. Whatever value 5, 6, 7. All these we don't have any problem with them. So just add to them and boom, you will be okay. So whatever these value are, just add it to them. But I need the problem dot also just add it. Maybe you need to do for you this add prevent adding more than 1 dot. It's just to do for you, prevent him for adding more than 1 dot. But for now I just only dot. Here I have a plus minus. That means hey, if the process is a plus minus, when he click for it, let's suppose like let's suppose for now just we taking minus operation and we add it to our application. So whatever I have in data, the new data will be equal the minus plus whatever there is in data. For now, just you could fix it. You could say, hey, no, I would suppose by default I have plus, then change it to minus or whatever. But for me, I just say, hey, I have only minus, and that is. It's like when someone wants to change the operation to minus, you click dot, you change it to minus. As I told you, you could do many work here also. So yes, by the end, you will have it here. You will have the numbers of the while loops here. You could just set it back to this one. For edit text show, you say, hey, okay, I have the number updated. I say, hey, edit text show number dot text equal this one. Maybe this text read only. He doesn't allow us to update it. Yeah, I think this one is read only. Yes, dot text read only. You need to do dot set text. Set text mean if dot text only, that means this properties is read only. If you say set text, I'm sure they will soon do this, fix this one, because it doesn't make any sense to have set text, and this is why Kotlin come to make the process of Java really easy. So why I have to set text and have text and read only or write only. So now I have everything ready. Now here we go. This is the calculator. Now if I just click 1, I have to see 1. I just click 1 2 times. 2 0 3. See how he do. 4. This I just testing the different number, making sure every number is working fine. 6 7 8 9. If I add dot, okay, good. So now show me good. If I add minus, he add minus on the beginning of the number. So now yes, I did good job. So let's go to the next video and do some operations.